Can I change my billing address on Steam after I have made a purchase?
Hello there, gamer. Have you recently made a purchase on Steam and realized your billing address is incorrect? Don't worry. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can change your billing address on Steam after making a purchase.
Can I change my billing address after a purchase?
Absolutely. Steam allows you to change your billing address anytime, even after you've made a purchase. Remember, this change won't affect your previous transactions, but it will apply to all future ones.
How to change my billing address?
Changing your billing address on Steam is a pretty straightforward process. 1. Open your Steam client and log into your account. 2. Navigate to your username in the upper right corner of the screen and click on it. 3. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Account Details. 4. On the Account Details page, you will see the Store and Purchase History section. 5. Click on Update Store Country. 6. Here you can enter your new billing information. Please make sure to provide accurate information, as it can impact your ability to make purchases in the future.
What should I consider while changing the billing address?
There are a few important things you should keep in mind. Ensure that the country of your billing address matches the country of your Steam store, as Steam uses the billing address to determine your store region. If you are moving to a different country, you may need to provide proof of residency to update your store country. And that's it. Changing your billing address on Steam is as easy as that. Now you can ensure your billing information is always up to date, no matter where life takes you. Hope this video was helpful and will enhance your gaming experience. Happy gaming! Remember, if you have further questions or need assistance with other aspects of your Steam account, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. We're here to help.